Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $3 trillion. We are up 1.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 41%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see we're seeing green once again across the board. You guys know over the past one day and a half, we were seeing some minor pullback occur within the cryptocurrency space, but very normal, guys. Very normal. If you were to come to me and ask me, hey, CryptoZX, is this something to worry about? Guys, no, absolutely not. We need to keep in mind that, over the past 1 month and a half, as this Q4 really started, we have seen nothing. We have seen nothing but bullishness for the entire crypto space. We are seeing all-time highs after all-time highs. We're seeing extreme gains being made across the board. So we need to keep that into consideration when we are, looking at the prices. So if consolidation occurs, because nothing goes up straight forever, it's very normal before we do start the next leg up. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin, and that is Vechain. All right, my VeChain family, first off, before I begin, I would like to say thank you so much for all the support that you guys have been showing me. You guys are absolutely killing it with the support. I greatly appreciate you guys. I love you all. Thank you so much once again. And always remember, I do this for you guys. Looking at the VeChain price, guys, you guys can see VeChain is currently sitting at 16.35 cents. We are up 0.1% in the last 24 hours in USD compared, but we're down 0.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. We're holding very strong, at this top 22nd spot on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko. Market cap is still just a shy away, a little bit from $11 billion, but the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $701.4 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, though, guys, let's not forget VeChain is still up 1,340% over the last 1 year alone, and in the last 30 days, we are up 53%. But now, with that being said, let's get right into the exciting things, and that is the price chart and see what's exactly going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So, like I mentioned, we did see some sort of market consolidation and correction occurring within the space over the last 1 day and a half. Let's look at Bitcoin price to get a better picture. As you guys can see, we saw Bitcoin continue its upwards trend. Saw it hit all-time highs of $69,126. Since then, we saw Bitcoin go all the way down to $63,000. So if I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, that was a drop of about 9%. That was quite the retracement that we needed. Very healthy correction, but you guys need to keep in mind Bitcoin cannot be ignored. We saw a nice pullback happen within the Bitcoin price, and what's going to happen with the entire cryptocurrency markets if Bitcoin sees a pullback? The entire market is going to follow. So that's what happened within the market. We did see majority of the altcoins see a retracement, but if we are bringing out the measuring tool for the price of VeChain, VeChain has seen about 13.76% of a correction since its price just a couple of days back. Very normal and very healthy, guys. If we are correlating with the Bitcoin price momentum, not much of a difference, to be quite honest with you guys, and that itself should be a bullish indicator for all of us to really see what's going on and how the momentum is really on the VeChain side as of now. And right now we're still, guys, we're still trading within this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. And one thing to point out for you guys this time around is you guys can see we saw this level of support play out for us this time around. We did go below it, but it was a wick towards the downside, but we saw a bounce back up, and right now we're still trading above this zone. and that is a very, very bullish indicator for itself. And I do expect us to, turn around and start, continuing this upwards trend that we are seeing within the space. But we do need to keep in mind nothing is going to shoot up in one line straight forever. We are going to see some, gradual increases. We're going to see some consolidation phases that occur, but the overall broader picture is looking very, very bullish, guys. Vechain holders, I have been saying this for quite a while. I just want you guys to know the time is here, and we're not too far away from all-time highs. And when all-time highs really do occur, guys, then things are really starting to start looking very, very nice. We are down 43.37% from all-time highs, but you guys know I have been saying this, and I will say this once again. Once the buying pressure kicks in, the momentum is on our side. We will see this thing, move up past this, 0.50 zone and get back into this 38.2 and go into this 23.6, guys. Because once we get into this 23.6, that's party time for the Vechain community, because we will hit newer all-time highs. And my price prediction, once we hop out of this, zone that we are in, the 23.6, we might see some, we might see some pullbacks around this level, because there is strong levels of resistance around here. But once we're able to smash past here, guys, it's all-time high territory, and I could see us fly to 50 cents. That is going to be my next price target for the price of Vechain. And if that price prediction were to come true, again, my own personal opinion, but I could definitely see Vechain pull that off, because like I have mentioned, the momentum is building for itself. We are in a bull cycle right now, and when the markets really start coiling up and a coin really starts gaining momentum, things can get really, really exciting very, very fast. So it would not come as a surprise to me at all. And one thing to keep in mind is that we're still ranked, guys, top 22. Vechain has not even entered the top 10, and I could see Vechain easily being a top 10 project. And so that itself should ring bells for the Vechain community. But again, only time is going to tell, so we need to keep that factor into mind. But if we were to go to a 50 cents price target, that is still a 209% move, guys. 209% move. And I can easily see that happen. But we need to continue. I'm sorry. We need to continue this, upwards trend that we're seeing right now, and I don't see why this would not continue, because the markets are, looking very, very bullish. We are seeing mass adoption coming into the space, major institutional interest coming in, and I really do believe this time around is going to get very exciting. And if you bought back around here, guys, I would like to say congratulations. Your patience is about to pay off. But do not forget to lock in profits. I'll always tell you guys this, and I will continue to tell you guys this, because locking in profits is the most important thing for you guys to be doing. You guys always want to be asking yourself the same exact question, guys, and that question is the profit that I'm sitting at, is it too much that I cannot afford to lose? If the answer is yes, guys, if the answer is yes, it's best that you take some off the table and use that for your personal use, or buy back the consolidation. When that occurs, then you buy back then. But it's very, very important to not get greedy and lock in profits, rather than not locking in profits at all. But right now, guys, Vechain is looking very, very nice, but we need to keep very, very close eyes on the price of Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is looking extremely, extremely bullish. Small retracements, very, very normal. I do see Bitcoin hitting newer all-time highs very, very soon, and things are getting really exciting for the price of Bitcoin along with altcoins. But if we are looking at the Bitcoin dominance did increase once Bitcoin hit all-time highs, but it's decreasing once again. So does this mean that the money is starting to go back into the altcoins for the short and medium term? We will find out. But let's not get let's not let this decline in Bitcoin dominance fool us, because you never know when whales can say, you know what, let's pump the Bitcoin price up. That is going to, cause the BTC dominance index to go up, which will cause altcoins for the short and immediate term to trade sideways, or even go down in the Bitcoin comparative. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now, and what are your price targets for the end of November. So let me know your price targets for the end of November. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And if I can ask you guys for one favor, that is like, subscribe, and comment. That's all I ask for, guys, and that would mean the world to me. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. From the bottom of my heart, thank you, thank you, thank you. Always remember, your support does not go unnoticed. I love you all. I will see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. Love you all, and peace out.